Bruce here. Try number 2, technical difficulties. Anyway, we're cutting a brisket that we made. I'd already described all this, but we'll do it again. Okay, brisket, salt, pepper, garlic, standard Texas style. Well, salt, pepper. Added a little garlic because. Rubbed it in, stayed all night, all day in the smoker, and then rested, and now today, cutting it. Got events coming up, 4th of July weekend. Yay, go team. 4th of July weekends, I'm busy doing this ahead, some to take, some to share. So we'll be getting this in the bag first. These. Okay, this part is what we call the flat. This bulgy part we call the point. The flat is one muscle going this way. The point is a muscle this way and the top muscle going this way. So this we're going to cut. Oh yeah, you see people do this number? You know what that is? That's a cheat sheet. I don't know if it's this for Texas or this. But this way it's a cheat sheet for cutting brisket. Because the flat we do about pencil diameter. I know it's a little fatter than a pencil. And the point we do about 3/4 thicker. So doing this, you've got your cheat sheet. Thickness for the flat, thickness for the point. Hoorah. Now, I cut about 1 inch off the very end. Technically here is burnt end, but this also is burnt end. So I'm cutting this in little flavorful chunks. Oh yeah. Kind of hiding those back. If you know, you know. So like I said, keep some goodies back for yourself. And the special people. Oh yeah. And once again, this was done with my salt, pepper, garlic rub. If you want to see that, just did a video on that. Okay, now, because we want to go cross grain, we'll do that down to about here. Right about here is the break-off point. Oh yeah, and I used serrated, scalloped. A bread knife will do. Seems to work best. But once again, whatever you're doing, go easy. You don't want to break the meat apart. The more tender it is, odds are pretty good you're going to break it apart. So while we're here, let's do a tenderness test. I was actually asleep when this finished out. Oh, yeah, I think we're going to have a little tenderness. Oh, thing going on there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. Hey, Speedy. Speedy the cat. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that is good. I'll piece off that for Speedy the cat. Here you go, buddy. Oh, that's good. All right. Simple is better. Salt, pepper, garlic. And let the smoke do its magic. And we used some old oak laying around. Here in the mountains, we've got so much wood to choose from. Oak, hickory, pecan, apple, peach, boiled shrimp, fried shrimp. Shrimping was easy. Oh, we're getting right to the edge. We're about ready to break it off. There you go, Speedy got the piece. You like it, buddy? Yep. Speedy liked it. And we're getting close to that transition point. Oh, glistening goodness. My. Look at the glisten on there. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Oh, man. All right, let's just this in a bag. I want to get this in the bag fairly quick so we don't oxidize. Oh, yeah. Wow. Whoa, there we go. Just to the point. Burnt enzyme. Oh, sorry if you're in a hurry today. I'm not. 4th of July weekend, I'm going to enjoy this. In the shade, because, baby, it's 90 degrees out there. Oh, yeah. Oh, brisketedness. Oh, yeah. Don't lick your fingers on camera. Come on. There we go. Seal that up. Seal that up. Push some air out of it. Less oxygen, the less it can oxidize. Okay, let's turn this puppy around. Now we're supposed to go 90 degrees. Let's take care of some housekeeping though. This one, it's quite the flap. Oh yeah. Now, here, that feels like another fat cap, and here's another traditional, oh yeah, burnt. Get that fat off. That fat off. Okay, now we got some more little burnt end type goodness. Flavor packed little nodules. Oh yeah. Burnt ends. Good little surprise packet. Alright. So, 90 degrees. Let's go. Now I'm going to leave that fat cap on there. People can take it off on the plate. Oops. That's just all kinds of tender. Oh, yes. That's smoky goodness. Oops. Sorry. That's all you're hearing is me chew, chew, chew. Because it is good, good, good. Ouch. Skeeters. The last slicey cut. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Woof. Oh, baby. Alright, I'm only going to do with this one. Nice brisket. This was 11.3 pounds. Fattiness, deliciousness. Oh, and if you can listen, you can even hear the outboards in the background. Check that grain. Oh, it's not going in a burn-in bag. Not going in the fat. Oh, baby. That's about as much excitement as I can handle. Oh, that's good. The fatty fat. All right. Oh, and that's pretty much it for now. Now I'm just wasting your time. Or I could spend another 10 minutes eating. Which I'll do anyway once the camera's off. Hope everybody have a good Independence Day coming up on July 4th. This is July 1st, but I'm ready for all the events now. Cool. So, hope everybody is having a good one. And we'll have a good one. Perfect. All right. Happy 4th of July, everybody, coming up. And as always, drink more shine and eat more bacon. See ya.